अर्ज करती हूँ. बरसता है जादू बरसता, बरसता है जादू बरसता. Okay. Hi, my name is Sanya. Today we're at Tarai. We are going to be making coffee today. This is the earliest we have ever woken up for anything. Hi, Sujay.
Hi, Sanya. Hi, I'm Sujay. We are at Tarai and we're trying to stop Sanya.
This is
Hi,
Samara.
Sanya. Sujay.
How are you, Sujay?
Very well. How are you?
My name is Samara and we are at Tarai. I'm drinking that Hyundai coffee, which I did not know कि ये हो भी सकता है, but I'm doing that.
Give me a breakdown on the coffee stuff that you guys do and what we're going to do today.
So we basically are a South Indianized coffee shop. We're
The
trying
best.
to push for South Indian beans,
I love
also
it.
South Indian brews. So we do a lot of filter coffee based beverages.
Yeah.
And what you are going to do today is first you're going to get to the basics.
Yeah.
You're going to probably learn to froth. You're going to learn to pour a latte. Post that, we'll probably do a filter coffee beverage for you. Maybe.
Amazing.
Yep.
It's giving 100%
It is.
literacy rate. Fully. I can tell.
Let's go.
I love it.
Let's go.
ठीक है, चलो, let's
Set?
get started.
Let's
Done.
start. Yeah.
Amazing. The only coffee I've ever made is instant coffee, so I don't really know how to make anything else. And I'm not like a coffee fanatic. I enjoy drinking coffee. I hate people who drink black coffee because I think that they think they're better than the rest of us. Like, you've not achieved anything by drinking sour ass black water. Hey, calculator!
My strength would be my friendship with Sanya, which I'm going to use to distract her. I'm going to make her write blue ball. So I'm really going to distract her today. It's how I'm going to win.
Dhruv will be the instructor. No, Dhruv,
Okay.
Hi, Dhruv.
Hi, Dhruv. Namaste, namaste.
Namaskara.
Oh, namaskaram. Sorry, wrong namaste.
So something that we do is we don't use milk. We hate wasting milk.
Okay.
So while we are training, we'll probably be using soap water.
Soap water.
Typically, this is a pitcher.
Yes.
You're going to add water to
Pitchers
this.
usually
Yeah. So we have a larger one as
big
well.
one.
But this is
Oh,
a coffee
sorry.
pitcher.
Coffee pitcher.
He's going to add water to it. We're getting you the soap pump. So you can just pump
Okay.
two pumps,
Two pumps of soap. Okay.
Maybe 3.
Okay.
And then you'll have to use this. This is a steaming wand. Okay, now quick tip. This gets hot. Okay, so don't touch it here. Use this.
Okay.
And you use this to pull out steam.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
That was very scary.
yeah.
All of the equipment scares me because it like all steams up, so I feel like I'm going to hurt myself. And I think we know this, that I'm not like the best cook or like the best at like anything that is in a kitchen essentially. So
I believe I can fly.
If you do it at the tip, you create the froth.
froth. Okay,
Okay, the
understood,
deeper you
understood.
go, the hotter the milk gets. Even
The deeper you go,
burn-
the hotter it is.
Yeah, well, yeah. You can even burn your milk.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
so
the,
too
the
hot
best,
then.
yeah, the best way to kind of measure that is always place your hand underneath. ठीक है, जैसे ही ऐसे चटका जैसा लग रहा है means it's hot.
So you
ठीक है?
hurt yourself.
हाँ, तो you नहीं थोड़ा सा गरम लगा that
Oh,
time
okay,
only
okay,
kind
that
of
time
pull
only.
out, yeah.
Okay. That time.
Pull out and
Yes.
this is not
Love it.
coffee.
That's
It's
a
very
lot.
sexy.
Very
Yeah.
sexy.
Like I said, it's anybody's game because like I use instant coffee. She's a person who will मतलब वो बहुत ही ऐसे on the spot learn कर सकती है चीजें. So like I said, like if I'm able to distract her, then I win. So I think it's anybody's game. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Set
Wow.
my
Wow. So
Pumps.
wow. You should have gotten Lifebuoy as like the sponsor or something. Ooh.
Heating up that soap.
Yeah, and listen to the noise, the sound that it makes.
Oh, garam ho raha hai. ऐसे? Oh, okay.
So that helps you lose the micro bubbles.
मैं left
छोटे
में
छोटे
ऐसे slide करती हूँ. Oh, pour करना. Okay. Oh, like beer, like that halfway you have to pour. Oh,
Wow, sir.
आपका pouring भी बहुत मस्त है. Clearly today I'm having a really hard time remembering names. I have called Chef Rishabh, Chef Harsh. I have called Dhruv, the barista. What did I even call him? Chirag, I called him. Okay, Sumaira, now you try.
सर आप पहले बताइए फिर मैं आपके हाथ से
वॉन्ड बाहर खींच लो आप ही.
ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है. Wow! आपका इतना क्लियर कैसे आ गया?
आप मैं pour करूँ क्या?
Water pour, water pour.
That's right.
Hey, Sumaira, you're already so good at this. You're a fucking natural, yeah. I'll tell you something about my relationship with Sumaira. It's like, you know, when you're a junior in school and you want to be friends with a really cool senior. I am the junior and Sumaira is the senior who hates me.
So that's a knock box for all your coffee waste. और exactly 16 grams to 18 grams ही गिरेगा. You level it.
Level it.
Wow,
Then
so
you
pretty.
tamp it. You press it.
Got it. Got
Yeah.
it.
Oh, sorry, I don't know. I don't know how to do this.
You click on this
Click on that second button.
second button and अपने आप ही flow होगा.
Now that's an
So
espresso
pretty.
shot.
Yeah, that's an espresso shot.
Chal, let's just take a shot, go home, call it a day.
That is true. It's
Must
very
be.
pretty.
This goes into the cup like that.
हाँ
Oh.
और फिर अभी दूध जाएगा.
And जो ऊपर है ना, that's called the crema. जो light brown.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
That's like the cream of coffee.
Oh, crema.
Crema.
The
Wait.
cream of coffee.
Crema is the cream of coffee.
Yeah.
And then you put milk on top of it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So water coffee, baby.
You know when you asked me what are you scared of, I said nothing. Lies. The steamer is very scary. It steams the fuck out of the place.
I'll touch up.
That looks like Voldemort after the last Horcruxes.
Exactly. It's abstract drawing. Listen, art is subjective.
It is subjective. I love
See,
it.
Sujay, wouldn't you add this to your menu?
No.
No.
To be honest.
The training was actually really fun. We got to see the little magic wand thing. And it is a little intimidating because, you know, it foams up and steams up. And typically when people are steaming up, you want to be away from them. So that was, you know, the initial reaction. We were moving away. But I think Chirag, look at me. Who is Chirag? Who the hell is Chirag? Why am I thinking about Chirag? Okay, Sumaira, all you, baby doll. Oh, wow, Sumaira!
और फिर ना ऐसे में हार्ट बनाऊंगी ऐसे करना ऐसा ये देखो
Whoa!
ये देखो सर ये हार्ट नहीं बना क्योंकि आपकी नौकरी कोई नहीं ले सकता कोई नहीं सर ये डिग बना है सर
It's looking a spoon.
It's a spoon.
It's a spoon.
It is a spoon.
It is a penis, but it's also a spoon.
The coffee needs to taste good. I'll do everything. I'll do what, you know, all that. I actually would look cool also doing it. Like, you know, like how these cool people make coffees like on Instagram. Like, I'll do that, but I don't know how it'll taste. So I think the hardest part is the taste.
Wait now, wait, you wait,
Now
you
you
wait, now
wait.
you wait. All this friendship and all was good for the first half.
You all wanna
No.
get into it? The
Let's
challenge
get
round.
in. Let's get in.
Sania Nirvani. Let me.
I honestly have no idea how I'm going to do in any of these rounds that you guys have planned.
Sania, मुझसे बच के रहना तू. दिखना मत मुझे. बरिस्ता बना दूंगी तेरा.
So, hi guys, we're through with the training bits. And now we're gonna.
We're trained.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Gladiators are ready.
Gladiators.
I'm glad.
Now we're gonna put them to a test. So earlier I thought Sania would do a good job. Well, now I know for a fact both of them are gonna have a tough time. Yeah. Ready, set,
Farah,
go.
what the fuck is Sania?
Wait. I think the cup is needed. No. Oh no, this is. Oh. Dhruv! Please.
रुक जा.
God.
ऐसे कुछ कर.
Oh! You are the best Dhruv ever in the world, sir.
Oh, you level it.
Yes.
Thump it down, no?
Pump it
Tamp,
down.
tamp it down, yeah.
Pump it. Louder.
Lock it.
Low.
I got a lock and flip this one.
So, yeah.
Let's go. Okay.
Second
Now,
button.
now we just press that amazing button.
Got it. And then how do we measure how much we need?
This is we are not on the same team. Oh,
Oh my god!
sorry, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then I'll do the whole process again, right?
You're so
Sorry,
hot.
be careful.
No, it's all good. It's very hot. Okay.
Ah, okay,
Enough.
Sanya,
We're
be
done.
careful.
Okay, I'm decapitating it.
Decocketating.
Yeah. Okay, I think this just gets poured. No sexy.
Yeah.
मुझे हमको जीतना है. Okay, be careful and don't froth it in the glass thing.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
the thing, froth it.
Yes, you're right. Let's
See,
go
that's
for
big
it.
one actually.
Okay, मैं डालती हूँ.
जितना
यहाँ
डालना
तक
है.
ना? हाँ तक.
नहीं, ये बड़ा वाला है. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, cold milk.
This is very hot.
Thank you. Okay.
Froth.
I'm here to froth.
Okay, wait.
No, आराम से. I don't want you to get hurt. This amazing brainstorming was Sanya's idea. Just saying, she's purposely putting the milk here only so that I don't get the milk froth.
I'm actually very slow. I'm so
This-
sorry. Ah, you're right. I should listen to you. Okay, and then take milk. Some milk.
मिल्क अभी मत डालो, या तो डाल के अंदर फ्रिज में रख
helping me.
दो. ठंडा रहेगा ना, तो फ्रॉथ ज्यादा आएगा.
People are helping me.
Do you want another batch of milk?
Bye.
Because I think this is already hot, no?
हाँ,
So
it'll be
it's
bad.
easier if it's cold. The milk is cold.
She went first, but she made mistakes. That's why you should never go first.
Nobody's helping me.
सर मेरा दूध दे दीजिए सर आप अभी. दूध दे दीजिए before ये चंडाल.
No.
Wait. हाँ.
Hey, she got the small and nice one.
ऐसे दीजिए ऐसे.
Yeah.
एकदम बीच में ऐसे करते जाओ.
Yup, you're good.
ऐसे करो.
नहीं, मुझे बताओ. Please, मुझे बताओ. कैसे?
मुझे मैं टी बनाऊंगी आपके नाम का.
थोड़ा ऊपर से बोलो. Slowly. Yeah, now take a break.
हाँ.
Get it closer to the glass.
Can I make an S?
Yeah, you can try it.
मैंने डी बनाया है ध्रुव जी के लिए.
You know, the thing is, no, my own team has put buri nazar on me. They are mad jealous of me, okay?
No, okay. Horrible.
So because I was like doing well the first few episodes, they were like, you're doing too well, whatever. It looks staged if you do well. So now they have purposely like put so much nazar on me, and I'm doing very badly in everything that I do.
So, what's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Okay.
ठीक है? Cappuccino is equal parts foam, milk, and then espresso.
This we weren't told in the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah, we were not educated, only out of portion. This is.
Latte is supposed to have like lesser milk foam. I think both of you all were horrible, so we're not gonna look at the design bit.
But when I was doing it, you said not bad,
so you
not
get
bad.
you get some extra points for the effort.
Yeah,
But
come on, A
if
for
we
effort.
look at
Manish Malhotra of coffee.
yeah,
You mean I'm a costume designer?
she's gotten like the foam bit right. She's got the design bit right.
Right now I'm suffering from success because मैं बस आपको ये कहना चाहूँगी कि लाते बनाते वक्त मैंने सानिया को लाते मारी है. मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया है. She did not expect this from me because I come across, as this awkward, like मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. But Dhruv और मैंने काफ़ी kill किया है. And that's true. I did manipulate Dhruv to help me more. But it's because I'm a nicer person. Like I remember basic things like what's your name, which is something Sanya forgot.
Sumaira has won this round.
I am so
And I
not
will
surprised.
I hate her. Next time we are not inviting such guests. Winner guests and all are not allowed.
We'll have sleepless nights because of me, not coffee.
So at this point, I think clearly Sumaira has a better latte art. We're gonna wait for the challenge round.
You wait and see.
That's hot water. So what he's doing is he's heating the cup up.
आपको
Oh my
गरम नहीं लग रहा?
god. Sir, what are your hands made of?
This is like moms who put their hands on the
Yes.
tawa.
So see how much he's.
Okay.
How much is Dhruv sir, मुझे बताओ.
ये देखो.
अच्छा.
44 ml.
44,
45.
44 ml.
I will-
Exactly
I know
44.
44 ml when I see it.
Fun.
Insane.
Place it.
Place coaster not on his head.
On the table, we have to place it on the coaster is very important, and then over, and then we're gonna do one long pour like that. Sexy.
That's very
ठीक
good.
है?
Nobody.
No, not us, not us.
We'll
You're
come to you.
safe.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it yet. You're safe right now.
You're safe.
We'll come back. We'll come back.
Or I'll ask you a question.
Okay,
and the
okay,
one
cool.
who gets it
Who
right
gets
goes
it
through.
Let's
right
go.
decides,
Okay.
decides the
Yeah,
order.
solid.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, cool.
Shit.
What's this called?
Damper.
Leveler.
Leveler.
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. She got that one. What is this called?
Dampener. Putting down leveling surfaces.
Tamper. So she got one. So I think she gets to pick.
Yeah,
You wanna go
she
first? You
gets
wanna
to
go
pick.
I
second?
want the second always.
Super.
And this has to be hot, no?
Dude, I'm scared of that shit.
That's hot
Oh
water.
no, stop.
Okay.
Stop it. Flavor time.
Hello, sir. What is your favorite flavor? Okay, thanks.
What did he say?
Nothing he said. Don't tell her! Don't tell her! Don't tell her!
He'll WhatsApp me. In your hands, Anish, it's so sanitary. You're definitely getting the job here.
Sorry, just ignore. Sharing is caring. And I feel like when serving your customer, you must also, if you can't drink it, then why should they? You know? Like even Hitler had tasters who would taste his food before he ate it. So I was merely doing that. I was making sure my food is good enough for them. Come on, please be nice, okay? Please, I'm sorry.
Bro, kitchen. Okay.
Chapak, jumping chapak. Tray is called salvo. This is only 44 ml exactly you have to do.
44.
एक
You're vanilla. You're full vanilla. Tanya, pour well.
Hello, sir. Namaste. How are you today? Feeling good? No, you know what? I will give you the full experience. I will just quickly clean your table.
No bad, no
You know,
bad.
nicely for you. Brace yourself. Okay, and
Wait.
it's a little hot. So, warning you.
Good attempt. Pretty good attempt.
Attempt is
Attempt.
the word here.
But I'm not tasting much vanilla.
I just put a little bit, just a touch. You know, just a touch.
I'm good. Honestly, pretty good.
The camera didn't get that. Say it again.
Pretty good.
Sorry, I didn't yell at her. I didn't yell at her. Please, ma'am, can you say again what you said? I'm not putting any pressure. Just say truthfully what you said.
I think the coffee is pretty good, but I don't taste vanilla.
Yeah, so see, the vanilla is more of a feeling. Okay, it's not so much. I put just a pump because I didn't want it to be too sweet. You know, so it is more just like a feeling. Did you all see my pour? My pour was brilliant. It was the best pour ever. I just was absolutely killing it. Okay, but it's cool to be anti Sanya, so we're anti Sanya in this house.
Okay, that's hot water. हमको तो vanilla चाहिए था, हाँ? So let's just do that. Okay, so then pumps. Huh? Four pumps.
No, you cannot help. You cannot.
Who told you?
Cannot
Who
help.
told you?
This is wrong. This is wrong.
Arrogance is not something that you should. It's not the way to go forward in life. Definitely, not with your friends. You should be humble.
The coffee
No,
cake.
don't tell her. Don't tell her. It's
Don't
fine.
tell- don't let her forget.
Let her figure it out.
Okay. Customers, be ready. Hi everybody. Hello. I won't be like your previous server. I know that coaster goes on the table. And this is filter coffee. It's not fully there yet, okay? And here we go. The experience के लिए मैं
Whoa.
yeah, sorry sir. थोड़ा बहुत tissue किसके लिए? No issues, sir. No issues. Sanya, to begin with, and she made me arrogant, which I'm not usually. I'm a very sweet person. You saw me. I'm so sweet as a person.
A bit strong for my taste, but good job.
Good, strong for your taste, but good job.
What, so you liked mine more?
Yeah.
Yeah! So what I'm hearing is,
What you're hearing is the customers like you more actually.
What I'm hearing is that am I the winner?
I think
Yes! Yeah.
Madhuri, this is just milk. It's not strong at all.
You can have it.
Killing is something that I don't think I'll do today. I might do today because I feel like I'm going to be humble in the third round and not but if I win, I might be arrogant like I was earlier. So it really depends on what the result is going to be.
Hi guys, this is Ritika. We have Ritika with us.
my god, bro.
I'm back.
Now I'm back as a judge and not as a contestant. Very happy. Don't have to do anything stupid or physically breaking. So it's good.
We're here to do the boss round, the final round. It's a tiebreaker. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions to get to know your preference when it comes to coffee. They're going to do the same, but they won't be asking you direct ingredients. Yeah, they're going to ask you more personality kind of questions.
They have come to a tie and I am their tie-breaking round. So they're going to make me a drink. They're going to ask me questions that are absolutely not related to coffee and I will answer and hopefully they'll make me something that I like. And if all else fails, I'll tell them to make me an actual drink.
Okay, we're doing a quick consult with Ritika to see what she likes. We're going to ask her some personal, deep questions about herself to really understand her soul. And we're going to put our soul and her soul and lots of souls and make the best soul coffee. Soul curry. Soul curry is being made for H. Ritika right here.
H. Ritika.
H. Ritika.
Ritika ji, we are playing tic-tac-toe because that is how I gauge people. Marriage certificate में भी मैं tic-tac-toe लिख के दूँगी. She's a smart one.
She's doing well so far.
Tough cookie.
I'm like a fairly basic bitch when it comes to coffee. So I usually get a hot oat milk latte or like an almond milk latte or something like that. I am a little lactose intolerant, so ideally no milk, but I'll have it. Like if it won't kill me. I won't need to like shit immediately like Sanya. And I put sugar, and if I'm not putting sugar, then I put like a caramel hazelnut flavoring type such.
Do you look at soy and आपको कभी बोलने का मन करता है soy? Is it a...
Do you eat the soy plain before the food comes because you're hungry?
No, you do this, I know.
You know how vote counting is a thing right now? It's I believe in it. We should count again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yay!
Wait, we are going. No, she doesn't like chocolate. How stupid is this? What is that? It's
That's content. That's a lot, no?
Yeah, it's fine. You got this. You got this.
Your shakers are here in case.
मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो.
नहीं ध्रुव जी आप कुछ मत बोलिए. Okay. Little bit of milk. I think is a good plan.
Dhruv ji has helped me just letting you know.
Okay, yeah, okay. This I know how to do because I did in the cocktail episode. Sumera, you have to keep it close.
I'm sorry.
Do we have a time? I think we should have a time limit, no? Oh shit, I put very little. Huh?
Thoughts? You can use another glass.
What are you doing? I'm sorry. I don't think she likes red. Oh shit, I'm putting it. What do you like
This
red?
is mine.
Oh, sorry. Oh. I don't think she likes it. What are you doing? You're just tasting away. My hands are very cold here.
That's the trick, which I'm not tricking at all. Is it good, Sanya?
I don't like it.
I think I've forgotten that there is in that.
Okay, I'm done. Time's up. I'm not letting you see my drink. Come on, Sumera. It's over. It's over, Sumera. Pack up. So the consult was really to understand Ritika as a being, things you don't know about her and how it's going to help us figure it out. So for example, we found out that Ritika is lonely and single and sad. So I was like, we should add some more coffee for her because she needs the energy.
So let's see. It's not bad. It's actually good. Thanks. Well done.
No, I think. Yeah.
This one is not the best. This one is tasting a little. Doesn't it taste like someone melted a diamond? Little bit.
Yeah.
Little bit. They're both very nice.
But it's a little watered down as well.
Yeah, it's a little watered down. This has more flavor than this one, but this one is prettier than this one. Very cute glass. Sorry, but this wins.
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm going to actually kill myself. What the fuck is dairy milk is bad? It's so good.
My honest feedback आपने देख लिया होगा जब ऋतिका उनकी दोस्त जो उनकी मित्र है जो बचपन से उन्हें जानती है जब उन्होंने भी कॉफ़ी ट्राई की उनने बहुत कोशिश की टू हाइड हर ओन एक्सप्रेशंस सो मैं क्या कहूँ आई थिंक expressions speak for themselves picture worth 1,000 words और वो सारे 1,000 words यक छी थू ही है for Sania's coffee.
See, you taste it yourself.
Yo.
No, please sit, please
sit.
Yeah, so Ritika said my coffee was watered down dairy milk, which first I was upset by, but then I tried my own drink and it's worse. If that's possible. That was the worst thing I have ever tasted in my life. So honestly, it's valid. The great thing about me is I know when to accept defeat. And I was not only defeated, I was murdered. Today. That was really, really bad. Nobody should ever drink anything like that ever again.
You tried, Sumaira, and you
दूध भी
won.
नीचे ही है यही सेटअप रखो
Well done. You lost.
Why our
So
friends?
happy to be here for Sania's first loss. First loss?
No.
Okay, one of my losses. But like, you've won mainly all. You've lost only a couple.
Why have enemies when you have friends like this?
Look at them. Very bad it was. I was being kind before. Everybody tasted. Fuck all it is.
Next time you're here, I'll be here serving coffee.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
Big
you so
hugs.
much.
Sumaira!
Yes. My suffering from success.